Oh, it's me. Hello. I've never done an unboxing video before. People do unboxing videos, but the only company who sends me stuff, and there's no reason why anyone should, is a brilliant company called Don't Feed the Bears, who make clothes that I like. So I'm going to do an unboxing video for them. Thank you guys for sending me more clothes that I like. This one's addressed to me and my wife. She doesn't want to be in this sort of thing. She's sensible. Okay. Nice. Nice packaging. I get so excited by Don't Feed the Bears packages. They always feel nice and they feature bears. This time it's a bear sitting on It's a bear sitting on a duck fishing. I mean, I don't mind that at all. Thank you, Don't Feed the Bears. There is also, possibly for my wife, this is hand painted by Tom and drawn by Lucy, of course. I think this is maybe for my wife because it's pink and, you know, norms. Oh, also it's too small for me. I would wear it though. Yeah, I like that. It's a bear swimming in what looks like Canada. All right, and then another t-shirt that's too small for me. It's a bear riding, I guess, some sort of animal. Okay, but it's not just one. There's two packages. Don't feed the bears. You're spoiling me. I mean, do go and buy your own clothes from Don't Feed the Bears. I would recommend it. Look, they do stuff like this. Isn't this nice? It's a mystery bear box. Like the football things. Like the mystery football shirts, but with Don't Feed the Bear products. It's so nicely wrapped up. Look at that. You get little postcards, of course. If this is a very uncool video, I'm so sorry, but I get very excited by this product. I haven't paid for any of this, if I need to acknowledge that. But I am very grateful. That's a nice t-shirt. I'll wear that. It's a bear on a croissant. Don't mind that at all. And then finally, good colour. It's a bear on some cheese. So that's it. Thank you, Don't Feed the Bears. That's my very first unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Okay, you'll see me wearing this stuff very soon.